छोटे से बड़ा तो सबने होना है, सबकी भगवान ने ये एबिलिटी दी हुई है कि एनी लिविंग थिंग इट हैज टू ग्रो, अंडरस्टैंड एंड एवरीथिंग। ग्रोथ में फिजिकल ग्रोथ भी है, मेंटल ग्रोथ भी है, इमोशनल भी है, सोशल ग्रोथ भी है। क्लियर? अब होलिस्टिक रिपोर्ट कार्ड क्या क्या है, सारे पैरामीटर्स को चेक करेगा। वहां पर कोई एक टीचर कहां से एक अथॉरिटी हो सकता है जो कह देगा नहीं जी ये बच्चा तो यही है, कैन यू डू दैट फॉर इट? यू आर नॉट एन अथॉरिटी। एंड होलिस्टिक रिपोर्ट कार्ड क्या है कि वो ऑल ओवर द इंडिया उसका फ्लोट होगा डिजिटली। उसके पैरामीटर क्या है, मेरा टीचर क्या कहता है मेरे बारे में। सेकेंड इंडिकेटर कैन यू थिंक, अभी आपने बोला कि एक पर्सन का टीचर के अलावा कोई और दे सकता है? बच्चा सोसाइटी में किस किस का पार्ट है? खाली टीचर का पार्ट जो है, टीम बिल्डिंग भी करेगा, प्लस फास्टेस्ट ट्रैक भी होगा, हु इज एबल टू फिनिश। अब इसमें एक और चीज क्या आ रही है,
एक उनका मैम थिंकिंग बच्चा सोचेगा,
एंगेजमेंट लेवल कैसे कराया हमने, एक्टिविटी से। अब बच्चे को क्या लग रहा है कि ये गेम है,
गेम के थ्रू बच्चा
सबसे ज्यादा खुश कब होता है जैसे उसका गेम उस पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं, वो क्या डेवलप हो रही है बच्चे की, vocab. What is that? Vocab. Now we are going to make them play a word game. Word game के भी
पीछे साउंड, उसकी बिगनिंग का एंडिंग साउंड।
Very good. Beginning, ending sound, middle sound. You can always find for the vocab. तो ये कौन सा पार्ट आ गया, vocab का पार्ट आ गया। They can also do, but मैथ्स टीचर के लिए करेक्टर और स्टोरी थोड़ी मुश्किल ही हो जाएगी। चलो we will come to that कि how a math teacher can create a story around his problem. That will be a different criteria. Okay, that can be also done. But the first point is clear. Second group, video is over. How you can increase the listening? After listening, we have come to the open-ended and close-ended question. Very good answer that you can watch a movie or a video related to the subject only. You are not going wayward. That was a very good point. He related to subject. So even the science teacher. Very good. 1 point we got for open-ended question. For the sake of everyone, I am clarifying it. Open-ended question. What was your question?
Which character do you like most and why?
Specific preferences can be different. The question asked was, which character do you like most from the story? And again, for further explanations, she has added what? Why? It is a totally open-ended question. Will we get the same answer for this question? No. Language is for what? For making you understand things, interpret it, and then expression part. So what we are covering now, listening. After listening, second skill is also being taken care of when we are asking questions, that is speaking. Now for speaking, you would be taking the answers in English from the students. You have to tell them that they have to give answer in English. If the child is not able to speak the answer in full English, no, I want think more. But it is compulsory that they should speak in English because listening is in English, speaking in English, then the things go further, reading and writing and interpretation and expression. You can start thinking on that and keep noting them. When we will be coming to the speaking part, we will be discussing that. Now you have to promote the child because the child will be knowing the answer. He will be lacking in confidence. He will be hesitant. He will not stand up and answer. And the second thing I would like that you have to ensure that the whole class is involved. Like when you were doing that activity, I ensured that you are made into small groups. And then when I find that one group is not giving chance to others to speak, only 1 or 2 persons are more actively and aggressively speaking. So I specifically pointed out what? Involve others also. Take ideas from them. This is what it's type of pedagogy. We are discussing the pedagogy of teaching. Teaching and learning part. Because now the classrooms are going to be like what? Student centric. Yes, second.
Which needs more
The Let's turn and talk again. Please ensure that every member of the group is contributing. करना होता है चैप्टर, दैट इज द sufficient listening. So I have divided into groups. That's why I made you sit like this. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth and six groups. Total 6 groups we are having. Discuss among yourself, and from every group I want one way how you can increase the listening of English in the class. You can discuss among your groups. You have got time of 5 minutes for the same. Turn, have a talk with each other, try to find out ideas. This is what group, peer teaching, peer learning and it is turn and talk. So all of you have to turn, talk among yourself, find a solution the same point will not be taken. So you have got 5 minutes for this activity. Turn, talk among yourself, discuss and find one innovative, creative way in which you can increase listening in your class. What do you understand by communicative English? Communication is any language that can be learned only through listening. So, आप listening के लिए classes में क्या कर रहे हैं? Very good. The first step is listening.